I received a one-word hack, which I think is genius. And the idea is this: instead of saying to me, you replace it with for me. So instead of why is this happening to me, why is this happening for me? And I've been practicing with this, and it's genius because it changes your mindset from this tendency to head towards victimization and woe is me to opportunity and growth. So I'd love to hear from you guys. Try this, and I'd love to hear in the comments below how it changes your perspective and sense of stress and anxiety in response to things that you can't control that are happening in the world. I'm David Marquet. Thanks. That's your leadership nudge.